It is coming again. Hey everybody, I'm Michael with Asymmetrical Preparedness, and today I want to talk about an event that comes around every year. It's called winter. Yes, and winter preparedness, being ready to survive in a cold, harsh environment. There's one piece of gear that I feel is very important, but we'll get into that in a minute. First, I want to talk about what I recommend you guys be doing to prepare for winter. So I recommend you take a look at these things in your life and make sure that they're ready to go. First thing is, what's the most important thing? Your residence, where you live. Is everything squared away in your residence for winter? Does your roof leak? Have you fixed, repaired, cleaned your gutters? Do you have any cracked windows? Anything that might weaken the insulative capacity of your structure? That's important. Another important thing is your vehicles. Your vehicles need to be squared away for winter also. Check your antifreeze, check your tires, check your oil, check all the things that you should be doing on a regular basis. So take care of your vehicles. Check those belts. A lot of things. Keep your vehicle squared away. Also, as it gets colder, I go through every season change and I go through my bug out bags, my patrol bags, I go through my vehicles, and I customize what I have in those to the season. Now, in the summer, do I need a bunch of blankets? Do I need exposure, stuff for cold weather? No, I don't. So now is the time when the seasons are changing, it's starting to get colder, go through your stuff. Make sure that your kit, your vehicles, etc., is ready for the colder weather, for the more rain, for the snow, for whatever it may be in your area. Now, if you live in Florida or some other location where it doesn't change that much, then maybe you don't have to change very much. But most of us live in areas where there are seasons and they change, so we need to take a look at this. Personal kit. Personal kit's very important. Now, there's different ways to go about keeping yourself warm while out patrolling, camping, bugging out, anywhere where you have to live out in nature and outdoors. There are hand warmers, foot warmers, body warmers. There's electrical things that need batteries. There are all these things, but what do they all have in common? They all have in common that they are expendable. Batteries die. Hand warmers stop working, so you need to keep buying them. I prefer portable, sustainable heat for your body. And with that, I want to talk about Fortress clothing. This jacket, I think this is the Tundra jacket, is an awesome jacket. This combined with, I have their base layers, base layer pants, base layer top, and this jacket, around here, anywhere in Washington State, even Eastern Washington up in the Rockies and the Cascades, I feel that with proper footwear along with it and stuff to keep my hands and my head warm, I could go out and survive anywhere. These things rock. This is an amazing company, amazing products. If you're interested in checking them out, check it out. Links in the description below. There should be a coupon code in the description also. I can't say enough. This company, Fortress Clothing, look them up on YouTube. They were on Shark Tank. And people cut holes in ice, put on their base layers, jumped in the water. They were cold, of course, but they climbed out within 30 or 60 seconds, they were starting to warm up. So even wet, the insulation, the proprietary insulation this company uses works. I can't say enough about it. Most of their products are black. That's one reason why I like this jacket, is it's not all black. It does have some black in it, but anyway, enough about that. It is very important, though, I feel, that you have the ability to have proper gear, equipment, clothing to go out into the outdoors in the harshest environments for your area. So, kit. Another thing is this kind of stuff and your tactical kit. You need to take a look at that when the season is changing also. In some situations, in some locations, some gun lubes will gunk up in that extreme cold weather. So make sure that you're using the proper lube for your gun. There are good ones out there. Don't know all the names. I'm not going to get into the details. Do your own research. There are some that are good for wide variety of ranges. And I would tell you the one I use, but I'm having a brain fart right now probably because of my TBIs. But anyway, get ready for winter. It's coming. We got to get our stuff ready. Get your house ready. Get your vehicles ready. Get your personal kit ready. Go through your bags. Go through your vehicles. Make sure your loadouts are set up properly. And at the same time, what I like to do is, since you're going through everything anyway, is on a regular basis, much more regular than when I change my kits for seasons, is fully go through all your gear, especially your tactical gear. Look for rips, look for tears, look for loose ends, look for holes, anything like that. And repair them and or get new gear and swap it out. It's very important to inspect your gear, inspect your weapon systems, inspect all the stuff, especially the stuff that your life or other people's lives may depend on someday, which includes clothing. Go through that winter gear, which includes clothing. Go through that winter clothing that's sitting in that box for the last 6 months or whatever. Make sure that it's still fully functional. Did you get a hole in it last winter that you weren't aware of? Make sure you go through that stuff. Make sure you repair it properly and or replace it. Merino wool socks, can't say enough about it. Keeping your feet warm. My feet tend to be cold. So I have Salomon Tundra Pro boots. These are very good boots, combined with my Baffin Polar Extreme socks and wool insoles for those boots. My feet will not be cold around here, that's for sure. Make sure you have proper kit. Get yourselves ready. It is coming. If the grid goes down, you may have to be wearing this stuff inside your house. So take it seriously. Get yourselves ready for winter now. Be proactive, not reactive. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day. And blessings to you and yours.